to the channel and a very late t-shirt draw. I was hoping to get this done a few days ago, but it has been another one of those weeks. For me, this is stock car lettering season, and the boys are doing wood building skills outside because the weather's been actually pretty decent around here, so they're getting caught up on some of their work. They will be back on Monday, and then we will have, after that, quite a bit of content if you're watching the Monterey. We have a very large box here, a very expensive box, I must say, that came from Van Nuys, California. And this is a bit of a pooper. We got those NOS taillights in, but in the next video I'll explain the mistake I guess I made on it as well. We got some body mount updates I wanted to get in, I forgot about from previously. And we have discovered some old body repair on our lower donor section that is definitely going to be setting us back a little bit because it needs a bunch of repair. So yeah, I got the Travis Majuri race machine lettered this week, and I'll throw in the walkarounds I did in between each stage of getting the vinyl on the car. It's kind of a sharp look. It's similar but different than what he had before. And we wish him a best of luck this season. And Hot Cars has actually stepped it up, and we're now a sponsor on his race car. So that's our big deal for the year. But to the t-shirt draw. Let's just get to the meat and potatoes. So my wife is kind enough to set up this wheel, and everybody's name that participated is on there. I'm just making sure you can all see that. So it's a draw of luck and luck and chance, I guess. So I'm going to get to it. Good luck to everybody, and I'll sneak in there our email address. So if you see this video and you want to reply, of course, we got to know where we're going to send them, and we got to know what size shirt you wear. Otherwise, it's kind of hard for us to do anything for you. And if we don't hear from you, we'll reply to you in the previous video when we mentioned the shirt. So good luck to everyone. Here's the draw anyways. All right, Diane Lutomsky, you are the first winner of the Franken Lane shirt. Okay, and the next winner of the shirt is Terry Keithley. So congratulations to Diane and Terry. Again, you can reply to us through email that'll be on the screen, or we'll reach out and contact you. To Blair Smith, by the way, you're such a good sport and such a good guy. We're going to send you another shirt anyways, because you've been real good about all this. And if you haven't subscribed to Blair Smith's channel, be sure you do. Now that Rust Brothers over, you'll be able to follow his progress on his convertible Pontiac, as well as I'm sure he's got many other things he's going to... actually, I know he's working on a Camaro too, so be sure to subscribe to Blair. His channel will explode in no time at all. So thanks for everyone for playing along. Congratulations to the winners. Here's a little look at Travis's new ride, and we'll be coming at you with another Monterey video really soon. Thanks. Take care. Have a great day.
Stress